In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror objects in Tinkercad. Now, it's actually super simple to do it. First, you want to select the object you want to mirror. So I'm just going to go and select this pyramid over here and then put it on here. And I'm also going to customize it just a bit. And I'm going to make it, of course, slightly rotate like this. Now, as you can see, we have the object. And to mirror this, you want to click on it. And then you want to click either on this button up top, which is called mirror, or you can press M on your keyboard and it's going to open this mirror menu. Now you can click on either this button over here, which is going to mirror it like this. So as you can see, when you hover over it, it's going to show you how the mirror is going to look. So if you then click on it, it's going to mirror in that direction. You can also mirror in different directions as well, just like this. And of course, you can get your creation to whatever basically view you want. Now you can also create different shapes like this. So if I go and create something super simple over here, I'm just going to basically combine these things. So I'm going to click like that to highlight over them and then do a union group. So it's now actually treated as one object. I can also go and mirror this. So if I click on it and click on the M button, there we go. It's going to ask me where I want to mirror this. So if I want to mirror like this, there we go. As you can see, it's going to work perfectly. Okay. So that's how to mirror objects. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.